Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tackle Intuit, and in this video we're going to be checking out some Powerline adapters, seeing do they work and if it is worth actually picking up. So the way these work is you plug one end into your wall, the other one goes into the wall as well, but that goes into your router or modem. Now you can plug in any device over Ethernet using your existing power outlets. It does not need any special hardware at all, and it supposedly just works. Now, it only just works if you don't use a power strip, but I'm going to use one anyway, because why not? Let's see if it works. And it actually does give me green, so it does work in this case, and that's what I'm going to be using. But I did find it does not work if you use a power strip on both ends, so keep that in mind. So for the first test, we're going to be staying in the exact same room. There's really not going to be a lot of wiring in between them, and we'll see how it performs in such a small area. So staying in that room, we actually got 85 and around 6, which is exactly what we should be getting, and that's awesome. Now we went down the hall to a bedroom that's kind of a Wi-Fi dead zone, and we got pretty close to the exact same thing. Now I put a floor in between us. I went downstairs, and it's kind of directly below the Wi-Fi router, and we'll see how a floor difference makes in performance. So we actually got a little bit less speeds, but if you are trying to get internet over Ethernet, this is still fairly good performance. Finally, I went to a bathroom where it was a complete Wi-Fi dead zone, and that's why I have a range extender right there, seeing if we can get anything good out of that. And this is still downstairs, and we got incredible speeds. This is like exactly what I should get next to the router over Wi-Fi and in the same room. So these actually work really well. I'm super surprised with the performance from this. Now granted, these ones are kind of expensive. I went for a fairly high-end model because I needed to do a lot of data transfer. These do go up to gigabit speeds, and that is what I needed to do that sort of thing. And these also do have some features like pairing, so you can create a secure Powerline network and no one else can get into it. But if you don't need those speeds and those features, you can get these for fairly cheap with still great performance. But there you go, that is our video on Powerline adapters. They definitely work. I am a huge fan of them, and I definitely recommend picking them up. If you want to do so, I'll drop a link to these down below in the description. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching as always. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tackle Intuit, and I'll see you in the next one.